Hi, sixth graders. I'm going to give you your directions today through this video and let you work independently so I can kind of catch up on grading and you can have some time to just work independently. Today you're going to go to your classwork tab in Google Classroom, and I added a whole bunch of new things, okay? So I want you to go all the way down to start. There's the King Midas myth, and then the King Midas modern myth, and then the Midas compare plus your idea, okay? Those are the first three things you're going to be working at. And today our goal is to understand both myths, the original one and the modern one. So we want to just understand what they're about. The second goal is that you can see one of the project choices that you're going to be working on next year. One of the choices is that you can create a modern myth based on an old myth. So you're going to see an example of that today. So I want you to understand the myths, see an example of a modern myth project. And then the third goal is to get you thinking about how you might do this yourself. Okay? Once you're done with that, if you have time, you can go to Story or Myth Videos and look at myths that you might do your project on next week. You're going to pick a myth that you find and research online to do your project about. Okay, so very first thing is you'll open the King Midas myth. It's pretty short, and you're just going to read this myth. Okay, and then you're going to go to this Midas compare plus your idea. And in this column that says old version, you're just going to type in who are the characters in the old version myth. What's the setting, the time and the place, and then there's lots of different boxes for the plot, like what happens first, second, third, fourth. You might use more than these boxes, you might not, okay? So you read King Midas myth, and you fill in this column about that myth, okay? And then your second job is to read the modern myth. So this is a student example from 2019. And so the student wrote, their myth is from King Midas, and the lesson is being too greedy can make you lose what's most important. And then she rewrote this old myth in modern times. So you're going to read that. Okay. And then you're going to go back to the chart. And then in this middle column, you're going to fill in the information for the modern version. So who are the characters in the modern version? What's the setting, the time, and the place? And then you want to match what happened in the old version happens in the new version. What happened in the old version, what happened in the new version. So these should match each other, okay? And then your final idea is to think about if you were going to rewrite King Midas in modern times, what would your version look like? So you can have the characters of your version, the setting, and what might happen in the plot in your own version of this myth. Okay? So once you have that chart filled out, and you get to do this with a partner, by the way, then you can go looking around and start researching different myths. So this website's called Story, and it's at the Greek myths, so you can kind of scroll through and choose a myth. Maybe I want to choose Cyclops. I go to the story, and I can actually listen to the story. So if you can put headphones on, listen to it, and read along as you're listening. Okay? Or there's another place to research called Myth Videos. You'll click on that, and then you can just click on the links. And these are actually YouTube versions of the stories. So you can watch those with your headphones, okay? The part where you're researching after you've finished your chart, you'll do on your own, but you're welcome to read the old version, the new version, and do the chart with a partner, okay? I'd like you to both type in the chart, though. So that's your job for today, Thursday, March 2nd. Thank you very much, and I hope you guys work hard and have a great day.